Today we are going to study about preparation methods of alcohols. Means first of all we see formation of alcohols from alkyl halides. In this is methyl iodide. In this when this methyl iodide is boiled with aqueous KOH or aqueous NOH, then formation of methyl alcohol and potassium iodide. In this iodine, this iodine is replaced by this hydroxy group. This hydroxy group because KOH potassium hydroxide is dissociates into K plus and OH minus. So this iodine I is replaced by this OH and formation of methyl alcohol. Next, ethyl bromide. When boiled with aqueous KOH or aqueous NaOH, the same mechanism, this Br is replaced by this bromine is replaced by hydroxy group of OH minus of KOH or OH minus of sodium hydroxide, and formation of this ethyl alcohol and formation of this potassium bromide KBr, this K and this Br, KBr. Next reaction with moist silver oxide. When this ethyl bromide is heated with moist Ag2O. Moist Ag2O suspended in water acts as AgOH. In this same mechanism, this Br bromine is replaced by this Ag plus and OH minus. This bromine is replaced by this OH group and formation of ethyl alcohol. Next, preparation of alcohols from alkene. From alkene means hydration. We see the definition of hydration. The addition of a water molecule across the double bond in an alkene is called hydration of alkene. The addition of water to unsymmetrical alkene takes place according to Markovnikov's rule. See the examples. Next, the hydration of alkene is carried out by passing an alkene through cold concentrated sulfuric acid to give alkyl hydrogen sulfate, which on heating with water gives an alcohol. See the example. This is ethene. When this ethene is passing through cold concentrated H2SO4, then to give this H2SO4 is written as this manner. In this H there is H hydrogen carries positive charge and this OSO3H carries oxygen carries negative charge. In this addition of the H2SO4 to these unsaturated carbon atoms of alkene in the Markovnikov's with the help of Markovnikov's rule. What the Markovnikov's rule tells that negative part of the reagent attaches to that carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen atoms. Means there is addition of this hydrogen attached to this CH2, this carbon unsaturated carbon atom, and OCSO3 is attached to this unsaturated carbon atom. and then formation of ethyl hydrogen sulfate. This is ethyl group, next hydrogen and sulfate, ethyl hydrogen sulfate, which on heating with water. When this ethyl hydrogen sulfate is heated with water, then formation of ethanol and again H2SO4 have recovered. This SO3H group is replaced by hydrogen and formation of ethanol. See the next example. When propene is passed through cold concentrated H2SO4, then formation of propyl hydrogen sulfate. Then this H plus and this is negative OSO3H carry, OSO3H carries negative charge. Then this negative part of this reagent attaches to that carbon unsaturated carbon atom of this propene, which carries less number of hydrogen atoms. This carbon atom carry one hydrogen and this carbon atom carries two hydrogens. Means this carbon atom carries less number of hydrogen. That's why at this carbon OSO3H, this negative part attaches OSO3H, and next carbon unsaturated carbon atom, to that carbon atom the hydrogen is attaches, and formation of propene किंवा propyl hydrogen sulfate, isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. When this isopropyl hydrogen sulfate is heated by using water, then formation of this SO3H group is replaced by hydrogen and formation of propane 2-ol, because this at 2 number carbon atom they attaches hydroxy group is attached to second carbon atom of this compound, and that's why propane is replaced by ol and this 2 position of hydroxy group. Reactive alkenes like isobutylene add water molecule in presence of 50% concentrated sulfuric acid to give alcohol. Direct hydration, there is direct hydration. In case of isobutylene there is direct hydration, direct addition of H2O molecule and formation of tertiary butyl alcohol. Then see mechanism of hydration of alkene involves following steps. Mechanism of hydration of alkenes involves following steps. First, formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation. The water and H plus of H2SO4, there is reaction between water and H plus and formation of H3 positive in following manner. See, the lone pair of electron on oxygen abstracts hydrogen and formation of this H3O positive. Then see, the pi bond between these two unsaturated carbon atoms is very weak. That's why this pi bond is accepted by pi bond attacks on this hydrogen of H3 positive and formation of carbocation this type and removal of H2. Then second step, nucleophilic attack on carbocation. Water molecule, lone pair of electrons located on oxygen attack on this carbon, positively charged carbocation, positively carbon, and formation of this compound. Oxygen carries positive charge because oxygen loses 2 electrons and gives to this positive charged carbon. That's why oxygen acquires positive charge. Step 3, deprotonation to form an alcohol. Next, in this compound, the lone pair of electrons carries located on oxygen. It attacks on this hydrogen and accepts this hydrogen, and the bond between hydrogen and oxygen is shifted on oxygen, and this negative and this positive, there is neutralization and formation of this alcohol. The name of this alcohol is isopropyl alcohol, or 1 2 3 2 propane to all. Propane, this is propane is replaced by 2 and all, propane to all, and formation of H3O positive, means H3O positive is recovered. Next method from alkenes, hydroboration oxidation reaction. When propene or alkene is react with diborane B2H6 or BH3 2, then formation of trialkyl borane. In this we have 6 times propene and react with B2H6, then 2 times tripropyl borane, formation of tripropyl borane. When this tripropyl borane is react with hydrogen peroxide in presence of sodium hydroxide, then this boron is replaced by hydroxy group and formation of propan-1-ol or alcohol, formation of BOH3. See the mechanism of this. When this propene is react with BH3, this is BH3 molecule, H carries negative charge and B, this part carries positive charge. H act as hydride anion. This hydride attacks on this compound attacks on this alkene in according to Markov's rule. Negative part attaches carbon atom, unsaturated carbon atom carries less number of hydrogen atoms, this type H, and positive part attaches to that unsaturated carbon atom carries high number of hydrogen atoms. Then next, C, in presence of this trialkyl borane, when react with H2O2 NaOH, then formation of boron is replaced by hydroxy group and formation of alcohol. This reaction is called hydroboration oxidation. See the explanation of hydroboration oxidation. Diborane reacts with an alkene to form trialkyl borane, which then oxidized to an alcohol by hydrogen peroxide in presence of dilute sodium hydroxide. Addition of water takes place according to anti-Markov's rule. See, in this, simply addition of water molecule to this alkene, CHOH. See this H and this is OH. This is H plus and OH minus. So negative part of reagent attaches to that carbon atom, carrying negative part of the reagent attaches to that unsaturated carbon atom of alkene, which carries less number of hydrogen atoms. This carbon atom, unsaturated carbon atom, carries less number of hydrogen atoms. That's why no, this is Markov's rule. But see, addition of water takes place according to anti-Markov's rule. Anti means this negative part of reagent means OH minus attaches to that carbon atom. Anti-Markov's rule. Negative part of the reagent means OH minus attaches to that unsaturated carbon atom which carries high number of hydrogen atoms. This carbon carries two hydrogen atoms. This carbon carries one hydrogen atom. That's why at this carbon atom OH group attaches. See, at this carbon atom OH group attaches, and next carbon to the next unsaturated carbon atom attaches hydrogen. This is anti-Markov's rule. Means in hydroboration oxidation reaction, simply there is addition of water molecule to the alkene according to anti-Markov's rule. Next, from carbonyl compounds reduction. See, first example, this is ethanol, means acetaldehyde. When acetaldehyde is react with H2, in presence of Raney nickel at 413 Kelvin, then formation of ethanol means primary alcohol. How this? So this addition of water to this addition of this H2 molecule to this unsaturated carbonyl, this is to this carbonyl group. See, one hydrogen atom attaches to this hydrogen, and second hydrogen atom attaches to this oxygen, and formation of ethanol means primary alcohol. Next, when propane 1 or acetone react with hydrogen in presence of Raney nickel or at 413 Kelvin temperature, then this hydrogen, one hydrogen atom attaches to this carbon atom, and one hydrogen attaches to this oxygen OH, and this one, the pi bond between carbon and oxygen is vanishes, and formation of this secondary group propane 2. See, explanation: aldehydes can be easily reduced to primary alcohols, while ketones to secondary alcohols. Aldehydes, see, this is aldehyde reduced to primary alcohol, and this acetone or ketone is reduces to secondary alcohol. See, hydrogenation is carried out in presence of catalysts such as finely divided nickel, platinum or palladium. See, next, aldehydes and ketones may be reduced by nascent hydrogen supplied by sodium amalgam and water. See, when there is reaction between sodium NaHg or sodium amalgam and water, then there is formation of nascent hydrogen. Then this nascent hydrogen attaches, one hydrogen attaches to this carbon atom, and one hydrogen attaches to this carbon atom, and formation of, and the double bond or pi bond between carbon and oxygen is vanishes, and there is formation of primary alcohol. See, next, secondary alcohol, when acetone, this acetone is react with nascent hydrogen in presence of sodium amalgam and water, in formation of this compound secondary alcohol propane 2. How this? Simply one hydrogen attaches to this carbon atom, and one hydrogen atom attaches to this oxygen atom, and double pi bond between this carbon and oxygen is removed or vanishes, and formation of series propanediol, this secondary alcohol. Next C, this is but 2 in 1 al. This is aldehyde. In this aldehyde, reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride, when this aldehyde is reduced in presence of LiLH4 or H3 positive, then see there is no reduction of this carbon-carbon double bond. LiLH4 only reduces this carbonyl group, reduces only this carbonyl group. LiLH4 supplies hydride anion. This hydride anion attacks on this carbon carbonyl atom of carbonyl group and shift of carbon oxygen bond in the form of negative charge on this oxygen, and formation of but 2 in 1 all this type of alcohol. C. Next, see, when acetic acid is reduced in presence of lithium aluminum hydride and H2 positive, then formation of ethyl alcohol. The carbonyl group of acetic acid C double bond group is converted into CH2 group by using this lithium aluminum hydride. Remember this, the carbonyl group of acetic acid or any carboxylic acid is converted into CH2 group by using this lithium aluminum hydride. C. Next, this is ethyl propionate ester. When reduced by using LiAlH4 and H3 positive, then there is formation of N-propyl alcohol, and first product, next product is ethyl alcohol. C. CH3 CH2 CH3 CH2, and this carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group. Next, third number, 1 to third number, CH2 and OH. C. Next, C2H5 OH, and this group is also converted into another alcohol, C2H5 OH, ethyl alcohol. See, when this acetic acid is react with alcohol in presence of constant H2, so then there is formation of ester. See this removal with removal of H2O. See this hydroxy group of carboxylic acid and H hydrogen of alcohol is removed in the form of water molecule and formation of ester. When this ester is react with hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst, then there is formation of ethyl alcohol and ethyl. Those two types of ethyl alcohol. See this CH3 group, carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group and OH, and this C2H5 OH, formation of ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl propionate. This is ester when react with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of H plus H2 or sodium in ethyl alcohol, then there is formation of C. This CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 CH2, this carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group and formation of alcohol, this N-propyl alcohol, and this is C2H5 OH ethyl alcohol formation. We stop here.